Good day, my wonderful viewers and subscribers. For who didn't subscribe yet, and if you find value in the content I create, consider subscribing to my channel. It's completely free, and it shows your support for what I do. Just click that subscribe button and become part of our growing community. Our focus for today's video is why do highly intelligent people prefer to be alone? Highly intelligent people may prefer to be alone for several reasons. Number 1, intellectual stimulation. Intellectual stimulation refers to the engagement of one's mind in activities or pursuits that challenge and expand their cognitive abilities. It involves seeking out new knowledge, ideas, and experiences that promote intellectual growth and development. Highly intelligent individuals often have a strong desire for intellectual stimulation as it helps satisfy their curiosity, enhances their critical thinking skills, and broadens their understanding of the world. Intellectual stimulation can be achieved through various means such as reading, engaging in thought-provoking discussions, solving complex problems, pursuing academic or creative endeavors, and seeking out new learning opportunities. It is an essential aspect of intellectual development and plays a significant role in personal growth and fulfillment. Number 2, autonomy and independence. Autonomy and independence refer to an individual's ability to act, make decisions, and live according to their own values and preferences without excessive influence or control from others. For highly intelligent individuals, autonomy and independence are often highly valued traits. They value the freedom to think and act for themselves without being overly dependent on external validation or approval. They seek the ability to exercise control over their own lives, make choices that align with their personal goals and values, and have the flexibility to pursue their interests and passions without constraints. Autonomy and independence provide them with a sense of empowerment, self-determination, and the opportunity to live authentically. Number 3, need for solitude. The need for solitude refers to an individual's desire for time and the importance of being in a state of solitude for personal well-being and rejuvenation. Highly intelligent individuals often have an increased need for solitude due to their heightened sensitivity to external stimuli and their deep introspective nature. Solitude provides them with the opportunity to reflect, think deeply, and recharge their mental and emotional energies. It allows them to engage in introspection, focus on their inner thoughts and ideas, and find clarity and inspiration. Solitude also offers a respite from social demands, allowing them to pursue their intellectual interests, engage in creative endeavors, or simply enjoy moments of quiet contemplation. It is a way for them to restore their energy, enhance their creativity, and maintain a sense of balance and well-being in their lives. Number 4, difficulty finding like-minded individuals. Difficulty finding like-minded individuals refers to the challenge of connecting with people who share similar interests, values, and perspectives. Highly intelligent individuals often have unique interests and intellectual pursuits that may differ from the mainstream or majority. As a result, they may struggle to find individuals who can truly understand and appreciate their passions and ideas. This difficulty can lead to a sense of isolation or a feeling of being misunderstood. It can be challenging to engage in meaningful conversations and form deep connections with individuals who do not share the same level of intellectual curiosity or who have different priorities and interests. However, when like-minded individuals do come together, it can provide a sense of belonging, intellectual stimulation, and support that can greatly enhance personal growth and fulfillment. Number 5, intensity of thought. Intensity of thought refers to the depth, focus, and concentration with which a person engages in cognitive processes. Highly intelligent individuals often exhibit a high level of intensity in their thinking. They have a natural inclination towards deep analysis, complex problem-solving, and intellectual exploration. Their thoughts are often intricate, detailed, and multidimensional, reflecting their ability to perceive connections and patterns that others may overlook. This intensity of thought can manifest as a strong drive for knowledge, a relentless pursuit of intellectual challenges, and a constant flow of ideas and insights. It fuels their creativity, critical thinking, and ability to generate innovative solutions. Their need for deep concentration and uninterrupted focus Intellectual pursuits often require extended periods of intense concentration, critical thinking, and problem solving. Being alone allows highly intelligent individuals to create an environment free from distractions, where they can fully immerse themselves in their thoughts and work. This solitude provides them with the mental space and freedom to explore complex ideas, engage in deep introspection, and push the boundaries of their intellectual capabilities. However, it can also lead to overthinking, mental fatigue, and a tendency to become absorbed in their thoughts, sometimes at the expense of other aspects of their lives. Managing and channeling the intensity of thought is crucial for maintaining a healthy balance and well-being. But do you think people who prefer to be alone, it's just subject to be intelligent? It's important to note that the preference for solitude among highly intelligent individuals is not a universal trait. People's preferences and tendencies can vary, and social needs differ from one individual to another. While some highly intelligent individuals may prefer solitude, others may find fulfillment in both social interactions and solitary pursuits. The preference for solitude and intelligence are two separate concepts, and it would be inaccurate to assume that all individuals who prefer to be alone are highly intelligent. While there may be a correlation between intelligence and a preference for solitude in some cases, it is not a universal rule. Intelligence is a complex construct that encompasses various cognitive abilities, such as problem solving, critical thinking, and knowledge acquisition. It is not solely determined by one's inclination towards being alone or engaging in solitary activities. People may choose to be alone for a variety of reasons unrelated to their intelligence. Some individuals may find solace and rejuvenation in solitary pursuits, allowing them to focus on personal interests, reflect on their thoughts, or engage in creative endeavors. Others may prefer solitude as a means to recharge their energy or manage their emotional well-being. Additionally, personal preferences, introversion, environmental factors, and life experiences can also influence one's desire for solitude, irrespective of their intelligence level. It's important to avoid making broad generalizations or assumptions about an individual's intelligence based solely on their preference for solitude. Intelligence is a multifaceted trait that encompasses a range of cognitive abilities, and it cannot be accurately assessed or determined solely by someone's inclination towards being alone. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share. We have many more exciting videos coming. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to let us know. We're always eager to explore new ideas and cater to the interests of our viewers. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.